Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today we are making beef curry in Vermont Curry style. Vermont Curry is the most popular and top-selling box curry in Japan. We grew up eating Vermont Curry and we all love the taste. Why do we call it Vermont? The curry's signature ingredients are apple and honey as shown in the package. But the curry itself doesn't taste like apple and honey, it's a hidden and secret ingredient. According to the company website, it's from a folk medicine of Vermont. I'll put the link in the description box below. Eventually, that combination imported to Japan and mixed with curry to make mild curry that kids can eat. Mixing 1 part mild and 1 part medium hot is my favorite, and I made my curry close to that spiciness. And today I put beef steak on top of the curry instead of simmered beef because it's summertime and I am in the mood for the steak. Let's get started. First things first, let's make chicken stock. You will need an apple. I choose Ourin apple, which has sourness in a sweetness. And you will need honey. Set aside until used. I will add chicken wing to make your stock rich and even more flavorful. Cut all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces. Pan-fry the chicken wing and put in a pot. Put all the ingredients in a pot and pour in the 1.5 liter of water, which is 5 cups of water, and chicken bouillon cubes. It makes wonderful flavor. Simmer about 1 hour. Take out the chicken wing before straining. Pass through a sieve and squeeze out all the natural sweetness from the vegetables. You can skip the whole process and replace the stock with store-bought chicken stock. It's just fine. The broth is 1 liter, which is a little bit over 4 cups. If your broth is not enough, fill it with water or use less amount of curry roux. Put your curry roux into a pot and pour in the chicken stock. Add in honey and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes until smooth and shiny. Add in 2 teaspoons of salt to season. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings. My curry tastes really good and so delightful. Let's just set aside while preparing the beef steak. Usually we cook beef chunks for a long time until fork tender, but today I choose beef steak to shorten the cooking time. Let's sear the steak. The steak has been on the countertop for about half an hour and it's at the room temperature. The meat should be on the room temperature. It is crucial to make a good steak. Heat your pan on high and sprinkle a pinch of salt and black pepper and cook until to your liking. I like the medium layer for the curry. Cook until nicely grilled. Take out and wrap in a piece of aluminum foil and set aside while we're preparing the curry rice. Now it's time to serve. This is the portion for my teenage son. 250 to 300 grams of steamed rice. That is about 2 cups and ladle over the generous amount of flavorful curry sauce. And topped with steak. Serve with fukujinzuke and gari. Fukujinzuke is a pickles especially made for the curry rice. It's sweet rather than sour, and the crunchiness gives it a nice kick. Sprinkle deep fried onion for the finishing touch. And I always serve coleslaw with Japanese curry rice. For me, it's a staple combination. The curry sauce is rich and mild in spiciness, and the aroma from the chicken stock is so comfortable. Curry rice is kids' #1 favorite dish, but for us grown-ups, still attractive, especially in hot summer, because the hot and spicy food helps cool our body temperature down by making us sweat. And it's delicious, of course. And I love to enjoy the icy dessert after the curry dinner, like orange popsicle I have introduced you in the former video. I hope you will like it too. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye! Hi. 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 Hi.